Good morning. I'm just going to do a video for this whole week. You don't have a lot to do this week other than reading. So most people chose the written discussion versus Flipgrid, which is fine with me. So this week you have that chapter 7 through 9 discussion. It'll be the same as last week. So sometime this week, choose one of the following questions and write a 3 to 5 sentence paragraph response. Post it in the discussion, and then write 1 to 2 sentence response on someone else's paragraph. So that's 2 posts. You have your paragraph about one of these questions. Make sure when you write down here, you copy the question and you put it down here. So I know what you're talking about, because some of you just wrote your 3 sentences and I didn't know what you were talking about at all. So put that question, and then before it, write chapter 8, and then I would probably make it in a new line, and then write your little paragraph. And then once you post, you should be able to see other people's down here and write a 1 to 2 sentence response to theirs. So I agree with what you said, because this, I don't quite see your point with this, but here's what I think, something like that. And that's any day this week when you're done with one of the chapters 7, 8, or 9. And then Monday, you are going to read chapter 7. And then again, all of the week's reading questions are in this Google Doc. These aren't required. You don't have to answer them. They're just to help you get ready for the quiz. And Tuesday, you have chapter 8. Wednesday, you have chapter 9. And every day, you should be studying that Merge Quizlet. And remember, merge means dip and dive. So 7, 8, 9, take the merge quiz on Thursday. And then for the next 2 weeks, you are going to be studying the final vocab Quizlet. So it's just gonna be on all of the roots that we've had so far this year. So you're just gonna go through this every day. There's a lot of SpongeBob apparently. To study for the final vocab test, which will be second to the last week of school. So the week of Memorial Day. So just click through these, and I'll post this every day for you to go through and look at. So merge quiz, final vocab Quizlet. And then on Friday, you just have the 7 through 9 quiz and studying that final vocab Quizlet too. And then sometime this week, remember to post your discussion. If you haven't done the Flipgrid for 1 through 3 or this kind of discussion for 4 through 6, please go back into last week and the week before and get those done. And this would be a really good week to just get caught up on missing work. So if you guys have any questions, send me a message. Otherwise, that is it for this week. I miss you guys a lot. Hope you're doing okay at home. And yeah, that's all. Have a good week.